Each and every day we're dealing with corrections in this market. In this particular video, I would like to go over the accuracy of the method and the accuracy of this bright pink decision point 1. Decision point 1 identifies the end of the minor trend. This is exact same level you can apply to any instrument, any time frame you will choose. This is exact same level that's in a play on S&P each and every day in a trading room. That S&P reminded you, especially this week, had been key Fibonacci resistance and key Fibonacci support. Look at that. Chart present in front of you since Monday reminded you. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market, and if you know where this key support is, you never short near. This is key support and this is key resistance. In a play for the last 40 minutes in the market. This was key support on Apple. Do you remember this post from April 2016? If support respected, expect bullish bounce until 106 and then 111. How in the world did I know that? Apple came out with the worst earnings in 13 years. And I've announced that this is key support at hedge fund conference. Did you respect this as key support? Did you take a trade because rules had been met? Which is currently exact same level in live markets on S&P? What did Apple do to the upside? Do you remember? Apple struggled at this resistance. Chart present in front of you for years. No surprise whatsoever. This is the reason trading room is open, so you can see the accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame on S&P instantly. This is exact same formula that played out on long-term chart on oil. Remember this level? 55. Are you surprised? It's all the same formula. Key resistance is broken, oil skyrocketed. This key resistance became support. Please browse YouTube channel going back years. It's all been present in the room for years. This reversal zone on oil been identified since 2011. This when room was open. This is reversal zone on oil 2016 February. Do you remember oil at 29? Have you taken advantage of this market? Are you surprised where oil is now? Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. As we discussed earlier, students not confined to trading room hours. Students know and wait for good, solid confirmation. Students not in pain. They are not confined to trading room hours, 2-3 hours a day. Are you surprised that S&P is heading higher just like oil, just like Apple had done? Should not be. As I said, good things in life worth waiting for. This is key support. Trade number 25. Trading room had been open currently 30 hours. Clear on that? We stayed out of corrections. We stayed out of junky formations. Only if rules are met, knowledgeable trader taking a trade. Currently knowledgeable trader moving his stop outside of break-even and respecting this level as his target. No ifs or buts about it. If you will choose to ignore this level as your target, if you're not moving your stop outside of break-even, you will never be a profitable trader. Do you remember what happened on Netflix this week? Do you remember what we discussed before the earnings? My goodness! Did we know or did we know that Netflix will take a pause here and will skyrocket? Did you enter the trade like Phil had done before earnings? This is S&P now. What a stepping stone. What a flawless Fibonacci puzzle market is. Did I know that market will give you pain and torture at this level? Absolutely. Time and time again in the course you learn the rules for your trade entry. You absolutely must respect this as your target. Just to remind you, this is exact same dance that played out on gold. Chart present in front of you for years. Key Fibonacci support. Decision point 1. Currently, exact same level you're witnessing on S&P 1-minute chart is key Fibonacci support on gold, your investment chart. If I remove the name from the chart, you wouldn't have a clue what instrument this is. If you found a method that works, it should work on any instrument, any time frame, any platform, as price remains the same everywhere. The only difference, liquidity and volatility. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. That's what I teach. And that's what you're witnessing each and every day in the room. What is a top hedge fund in US? Do you know? Google and find out. What makes Renaissance Fund something so special? If you cannot get into Renaissance Fund, I highly encourage you. Sooner you remove indicators from your charts, sooner you start paying attention to price action and Fibonacci and recognize that indicators are wishful thinking. Indicators developed after the price. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Nothing else matters. So, price respecting this level as expected, as we knew it would. As you saw on this trend chart, price had done for days. Remember, this was exit on that long. It's all the same formula. Remember, this was key support on S&P in 2016. And as projected for years, price skyrocketed drastically higher. No surprise. That's what we're discussing in Fibonacci classes. How to identify these levels, how to trade these levels. No matter what chart you trade, no matter if you trade 3-minute chart, no matter if you trade 1-minute chart, no matter if you trade 15-minute chart, no matter if it's daily, hourly, monthly, weekly, it's all the same formula. Risk management makes a world of difference. Clear on that? No surprise. None. Ignoring this as your target, never an option. Respecting this as your target and moving your stop outside of break-even is essential. And that's what you see in the room every day. Method based on proprietary Fibonacci numbers, proprietary Fibonacci rules, proprietary Fibonacci strategies. You can only learn in the course. Course starts from scratch on Monday. We are with students in the class tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning long-term Fibonacci class where we concentrate on charts starting from hourly all the way to monthly and yearly charts, going back all the way to 2008. key classes on Monday and Friday unless I'm traveling, unless it's long holiday weekend. My favorite part of the website, always and forever, what students have to say about the course. The students, my dearest friends for life. I live and breathe what I do, and I always look forward to hearing from you. Click on Contact Us page and never hesitate to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. All the classes are live modules only, supplemental. Group courses 8 weeks, private mentoring 16. All group classes included in private mentoring. We work via screen sharing, we work via TeamViewer and Skype. Please review the information and feel free to contact me. As S&P reminding you, key, stop, key target is respected once again. No surprise whatsoever. Just like every single instrument you see in the room daily. As Ferrari remains in pain, testing you for knowledge of the price. Clear on that? So, if you had enough of indicators, I look forward to hearing from you. If you understand that knowledge is power in everything you do in life, review the information on the website and do not hesitate to contact me. Let's take a well-deserved break, trading room. Always let's talk. We have a lot to talk about.